Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. LG is looking to dazzle new customers with this flashy new smartphone, the LG Velvet. But besides the aesthetics, what else does it bring to the table? Let's check it out in our hands-on video. The LG Velvet is quite a looker, with its curved back and bright and colorful mirror-like gradient finish. The model we have here is the LG Velvet 5G, which has support for those types of networks. Some regions may get a 4G version instead. At least in Europe, pre-orders of the phone will come with a bunch of goodies: an LG dual screen accessory, wireless earbuds, and a protective cover, though ours only came with the dual screen. I really like this Illusion Sunset color scheme. Somehow it gives me a retro vibe, and the glossy frame ties the whole thing together. Since both the front and the back taper to the edges, the phone feels really light and thin in the hand too, which some people may or may not prefer. The LG Velvet's build is quite sturdy. It brings IP68 water and dust resistance, as well as a military standard 810G certification, which we've seen before on LG phones. One cool aesthetic touch is that the rear cameras and LED flash are arranged from large to small, in a pattern LG calls raindrop. It's a triple camera setup. Since one is a depth sensor, you'll only be really shooting through two of them, a 48 megapixel quad bare main cam and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. We'll put the cameras through their paces and let you know what we think about their quality in our full review. The Velvet's display is a curved 6.8-inch OLED with a 1080p resolution. It's quite tall with a 20.5 by 9 aspect ratio, and there's a round notch at the top for the 16 megapixel selfie cam. The screen has a standard 60Hz refresh rate and looks quite nice so far. Plus, to go with the visuals, you get stereo speakers for your audio, with a 3D surround sound option. You also get a traditional headphone jack here, but there's no fancy quad DAC like you might remember from previous LGs. The interface is LG's latest user experience over Android 10. I like some of the aesthetics here, such as customizable colors for your notification toggles. This LG Velvet 5G runs on a Snapdragon 765G chipset, and it feels quite smooth and snappy so far. And the gaming experience should be nice too, since this is one of the best mid-range chips you can get right now. The Velvet has a 4300 mAh battery, not huge, but a decent size. Our bundled charger is 16 watts, but the phone should go up to 25 watts, and there's support for wireless charging too. So there you have it guys, the LG Velvet is one of the coolest looking phones I've had my hands on lately, and the specs aren't too shabby either. You do miss out on a more versatile camera setup, but besides that, it all looks pretty solid. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments, and I'll see you soon with our full review.